Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. If you've been confused or stuck trying to launch a Ubisoft game through Steam, don't worry. This guide will make it super simple. Let's jump right in. A lot of people wonder, where do I actually find my activation code on Steam? The good news is, most of the time, it's really easy. Start by opening up Steam and logging into your account. Head over to the Library tab, then look for the Ubisoft game you want the activation key for. Once you find it, right-click on the game, choose Manage, and you should see an option called CD Keys. Click that. Steam will open a small window showing your product key. Just hit Copy Key to Clipboard and you're good to go. Now, here's where some people get confused. Sometimes the CD Keys option doesn't show up at all. If that happens to you, don't panic. There's still a way around it. First, make sure that the email you use for Steam and the email you use for Ubisoft Connect are the exact same. This is extremely important. Using different emails can prevent Ubisoft from recognizing your game license. Once both accounts share the same email, open Ubisoft Connect and log in. If Ubisoft needs a key, you'll usually see a pop-up asking for one. If you still don't have a key showing anywhere, just close Ubisoft Connect completely. Now, go back to your desktop and launch the game directly from its shortcut or from Steam again. As long as both accounts match, Ubisoft will automatically detect your Steam license, and you won't need to manually enter any activation code at all. The game should just launch normally. And that's it. Easy and done. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.